Welcome to the Dream of Speed Grand Prix! Tonight, we change the rules. Ka-chow! Go, McQueen, go!
Huh? That's not from our system.
Banana! You got this, buddy. Whoa! I'm, too fast? McQueen! McQueen!
Target Lightning McQueen.
Marshal, evacuate the pit! I'll get the team. Buddy, talk to me! I lost control, Marshal. There's our test subject. Chase! Rubble! I need you in the pit, now!
Ryder, sir. We're on our way.
Police pup, on duty!
Subject damaged. Retrieve!
You're not taking my friend.
Back away from the racer! Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Resistance minimal.
I'm just slowing you down. Autobot, stand down. This is not your war.
We'll take the racer later. For now, boom! Is everyone okay?
I should have checked the fuel.
There's foreign energy in his fuel line. This isn't normal gas. Ba-ba-ba, nitro, boom!
So, wrong can, huh?
We're not just fixing McQueen. We're stopping a city with disaster!
Then we do it together.
Dark Nitro is not just fuel. It corrupt. If Joker Dog spreads it,
Then we build something that can stand against it.
So, Super McQueen? Project code name, Guardian McQueen.
Be gentle. I'm a classic. Frame integrity, still awesome. Now you're not just fast, you're tough!
Whoa, I can see everything now.
No, no, no! Green bad, yellow good.
Non-lethal restraint to stop corrupted machines without destroying them.
Perfect for Joker Dog's toys.
Guess I'm more than a race car now. This is awesome! Ah! Ah! Target captured! Target captured, team. Nice work, team. Off-road approved.
You learn quickly.
Tomorrow, the city runs on MY Fuel.
You supply chaos, I supply fear. Together, we control the city.
And we start by breaking their hero.
We roll at dawn. Let's save our city!
Hold on!
You're safe now!
Road's clear ahead for you, buddy. No one goes near the factory. Get out now! I've got this! I've got this!
Left corridor, big tank ahead.
Heroes always arrive where I want them. Pathetic. You can't stop me, pup!
I won't let you touch him! Get back!
Optimus, factory lockdown. We need a new entrance. Oh, they're turning the whole city into a bomb.
All right, secure the perimeter. Cut the main valve now.
Valve secured, Chase!
Initiating emergency shutdown sequence.
Hack-a-mob! Yippee! RF! RF!
Let's charge this thing up. stop me, didn't you, little puppy? Now watch as I activate the Nitro Cannon! Let the fireworks begin! Citywide firing mode engaged!
Get that cannon aimed now!
I don't think so, Joker Dog. It's locked down!
You haven't seen the last of me, McQueen!
Corruption cleared. Standing down.
Even heroes know fear, you know? But they keep moving forward anyway.
We'll have a safe, no nitro, just fun race.
And they're off! It's Guardian McQueen pulling ahead of Optimus Prime early on this sunny afternoon. 3, 2, 1, go!
As long as we're together, no dark fuel can win.
Yeah! Teamwork is the real turbo.